Welcome back, Little About a Lot. Today we are doing a temporary dog fence project. The purpose of this project is basically to keep your dog from going all over the place. It is a fence, of course. This is not something that's brand new. My sister had this. It's panels. You put the panels together. Unfortunately, it was taken apart, so I'm going to have to put it all back together, show you how I do that, how it's going to look. I'm hoping it goes from the corner of the house out, down here. I don't know how many panels I got, what they look like, how long they are. I don't remember any of that, so we're going to have to put it together, put the panels together, see what it looks like, see what kind of fence I can build out here for our puppy. My dog is 13 years old, will be 14 here in a few months, and it would be nice because we have this property here, but we don't really have a fence that contains them, so it would be nice for him to be able to get outside a little bit without us having to put it on a chain every single time. Did y'all see me that? Did I go black? Somehow all of that is supposed to make a fence. So let's put it together, see what we got. Got the fence taken out of the truck. It looks like I have 10 panels to put together. Some are 4-foot sections, some are 5-foot sections. It's 3 foot tall. I'm using this wire right here, which is kind of like a chicken wire. Not too thick of a gauge or anything like that, but perfect for a dog. Let's do this. Are done. I'm gonna wait to put the wire on it because if I do have to make some adjustments out there, I don't want to have to pull it back off, make my adjustments, put it back on, make a lot more work for me. So let's go out there, see what we can do for design wise, and let's hope this works. Made you look. It looks like we're going to be just that much short, which is okay because I have some extra wire just laying around as usual. Comes all the way down the patio to ends right here. And then what I think I'll end up doing is just putting some extra wire. So if he needs to go use the boys' room, he's able to. I have all the wire laid out. Some of the sections are a little bit different. Some are 4 foot, some are 5 foot. I'm going to be putting it together here with a nail gun or staple gun. This is both. These are Dewalt 5/8 18 gauge staples. Slide in here. Put this together and just perfect. finish the dog fence, let's recap a little bit of how we got this thing put together. Panels are put together, fencing is on. This is how I'm keeping the panels up. I'm just using these scrap pieces of metal that I had laying in the barn. This is really the dog run part of it. This is where he's going to use the facilities. The gate is put together with some fence hardware here and there, as well as a fence latch on this side. It actually functions pretty good, so I'm going to keep it there. This project really turned out pretty good. I am very excited for my dog to be able to come out here. I don't have to put my dog on a chain or a leash anymore. Putting these panels together was actually a very, very easy way to get a temporary fence for your dog. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment if you'd like. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.